Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So, in this video, I'm going to be looking at what is Amazon affiliate marketing and how does it work and how you can actually use it to make money on Amazon or through your website. So, Amazon affiliate program, it's also called Amazon Associate, that can be easily way to monetize a blog and also make money online. By simply signing up on Amazon, you receive immediate approval and place Amazon link on your website, and when someone click on that link through your custom link through your website, you'll be able to earn a commission on any kind of product you are promoting on your website. But how do you get started? I will also explain to you in this video on how you can actually get started step by step to become an Amazon affiliate marketer, and with that you'll be able to earn a commission on any kind of product which you are promoting on Amazon on your website through Amazon. So what is Amazon affiliate program? The Amazon affiliate program, and also called Amazon Associate, is an affiliate marketing program which is actually free for website owner and bloggers to become Amazon Associate. They advertise products from Amazon.com on their site by creating a custom link. When someone click on that link and buy a product from Amazon, you will definitely earn a commission on any amount of products you make sales of. So still not sure what what affiliate marketing is. Amazon affiliate marketing is also a tactic where an online retailer gives niche website owners the ability to create unique products link called affiliate links. The website owner must promote the links in exchange. When someone visits the site and make a purchase, the owner will definitely automatically earn a commission on any kind of product he or she makes sales on. And then Amazon affiliate marketing is right for you if you already own a website or a blog and your content offer opportunity for product mention. For example, if you own a recipe blog, you can create link for product ingredient. It's not the best fit for you if you sell product directly on your website, although you can use a mixture of product selling and affiliate selling to earn more money on your website. In the Amazon affiliate program, associates earn commission by creating unique product link, promoting the link on their website, and drive referral traffic back to Amazon so that they can be able to purchase any kind of product, and you will definitely earn a commission or any product your visitor purchase through your website on Amazon. Website owner create an Amazon affiliate account on the platform, and then Amazon gives each website owners a unique associate ID. Once the application has been approved, associates can begin to create affiliate link on any kind of product and input it on their website in order to earn a commission. Associates then place the link on their blog post or other part of their website, and so far the page will be like where visitor can actually visit and make a purchase on any kind of product which you are trying to introduce on your blog post or website. Amazon affiliate marketer can actually earn from $100 to $20,000 from Amazon affiliate program, depending on how many referral you get and how many traffic you are generating through your affiliate link to Amazon. Amazon affiliate program operates on a commission base, meaning you make a percentage per sale. So the commission rate different depending on the product's category. For example, if you run an automotive blog, you can earn a commission of up to 4.50% from each sales. If you sell 3 car parts at $1,000 each day, so you'll be able to earn $135 as a commission for the 3 sales which you actually made. So now take for instance, if you sell like 30 items per month, you're going to earn at least $1,350, and this also depends on the category which you choose in order to promote products through Amazon. Before signing up on the Amazon, So it's very important to review the Amazon affiliate program commission rate per product category. That way you will definitely understand and be able to calculate how much you'll be earning through your website when you're trying to promote any kind of product from Amazon. So Amazon program require the rules and regulation which you have to abide before you start selling on Amazon. So that's why you have to read on the Amazon affiliate program terms and condition, which is very, very important before you can proceed to get started and start promoting any kind of link from Amazon product on your website. It's very easy to become an Amazon affiliate, whereby you have to create a website or a blog, then navigate to Amazon associate page and sign up. Enter your account information, enter your website address, and enter your preferred store ID, which you'll be using when you're trying to link a product from your website to Amazon, which is the only way before you can actually earn a commission on any kind of product you are selling. And also explain how you will drive traffic to your site, which is if it's organic or you drive traffic through the social media platform. And also choose your payment method, how you would like to get paid through Amazon. Then proceed to create Amazon affiliate link, which you have to include on your website. So that link is what your visitors will click on in order to purchase any kind of product which you are trying to introduce on your post, on your blog post. And with that you'll be able to earn a commission anytime a client or a visitor purchase any kind of goods through your website on Amazon, and you'll be able to earn the commission straight down to your bank account, which you include when you are trying to set up your account on Amazon. So how to create an Amazon affiliate link? You have to log into your Amazon associate account, then click on product linking in the top banner and select product link. Use the Amazon associate site stripe to generate Amazon affiliate link. Try other product linking option to find and create another affiliate link. Use the generated link on your site or other promotional material according to an Amazon standard. So with that you'll be able to promote any kind of product through Amazon, as long as it's still up to your niche, and you'll be able to earn a commission through your website. So this is the only way you can actually make money through Amazon affiliate marketing. And also make sure you understand everything which I explained in this video, and also read through the links and terms and conditions in order to understand how Amazon affiliate marketing works before you can get started. So with that you'll be able to make more money on Amazon affiliate. So if you have any question, kindly let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me, and like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other users who would like to watch this kind of video. So in other than that, I would like to end this video here, and also see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.